Amitiels TV! Hi guys! Welcome to Amitiels Kitchen! We're going to make Danish cookies. You have to preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of confectionery sugar, 1/8 salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla egg, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're gonna use paddle attachment. First, we're going to put butter. And it should be medium speed. There we go. You can see the butter. It smells good. Scrape the side. Now we're going to put the powdered sugar. Put it inside the piping bag. We are using 1M piping tip. Let's cook again. Use a tray with a parchment paper on top. Ready to pipe. Oh. We're going to sprinkle sugar on the cookies. We're ready to put inside the oven. Woo! Hot oven. Let's wait for 8 to 10 minutes. This is our homemade Danish cookies. Let's try. So yummy, guys.